Regular visualization is something that could help you with weight loss, but in order to work, it has to be done right. Welcome, I'm Stavros Mastrogiannis, a how to lose weight for life expert and the creator of the Live Your Way Thin system. So, what is the right way to visualize when it comes to weight loss? Well, first, let me explain what is the main benefit of regular visualization. The main benefit is that it helps you with the reprogramming of your subconscious mind to support your efforts to lose weight instead of sabotaging you. You see, we all have a conscious and subconscious mind. Without going into too much detail, the conscious mind is the mind that you think with. The subconscious mind has a few more jobs than the conscious mind, which includes running all the functions necessary to keep your body alive, like breathing, your heart, and so on. It also controls your habitual thoughts, which affects the way you feel, and it controls all the habitual behaviors and actions like biting your nails when nervous, eating when stressed, and so on. To put it simply, you can actually say that your subconscious mind has two basic jobs. One, to keep your body alive, and two, to support your beliefs. In other words, whatever you truly believe, your subconscious mind tries to do everything in its power to make that true. So if deep down you don't believe that you can lose weight and that you're meant to be overweight, it does not matter how many diets you go on. You will always fail because your subconscious mind, which by the way runs 95% of your day, will have you do things that you're not even aware of that will sabotage your progress. I've seen that firsthand. I know many people who struggle to lose weight. In their heads, they think they don't eat that much. But in reality, they eat a lot more. But they're simply not aware because much of the eating is habitual. Anyway, that is why one of the first things I do with my clients is to make sure that they have the right beliefs that will support their fitness goals and not sabotage them. And that is where visualization comes in. In my experience, one of the best ways to change your beliefs and reprogram your subconscious mind to support your fitness goals is to do regular visualization. By visualizing yourself with the lean and healthy body you want, you're training your subconscious mind to believe that it's possible. Once your subconscious mind buys into the idea that it is possible for you to have a lean and healthy body, it will start supporting you and it will start to look for ways to make it a reality. Now, to make your visualization session more effective, you shouldn't just see yourself with a lean and healthy body, but try to feel the way that you would feel when you have a lean and healthy body. Feel the confidence you would feel going to the beach, seeing people complimenting you how good you look. Basically, the key to an effective visualization session is your ability to really feel the way you would feel when you have a lean and healthy body. I want to emphasize that. The secret is not just seeing yourself with the body that you want, but feel how would you feel when you have the body that you want. Here is a visualization exercise I recommend that you do every night before going to sleep. Imagine yourself already having the lean and healthy body that you want, already having developed all the healthy behaviors that you need to develop to lose weight and get in shape. See yourself going through a typical day following the new healthy behaviors perfectly and overcoming any temptations. Feel the way you would feel when you have the body and health that you're looking for. See yourself explaining to others how you managed to lose all the weight and keep it off. See how proud your loved ones are of you and how good it feels to have finally lost the weight and having a lean and healthy body. Spend at least 5 minutes every night before going to sleep visualizing yourself in the present moment having a lean and healthy body and how good it feels. Successfully following all the healthy behaviors that you need to have. It is vital that you visualize in the present moment and not something in the future. And try to truly feel how would you feel when you have a lean and healthy body. Also keep in mind, there's absolutely no reason why you cannot lose weight. It is up to you. I'm a firm believer that if you want something bad enough, there is always a way to obtain it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button to let me know that you enjoyed it. Comment below if you want me to cover something specific, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Also, I would greatly appreciate it if you share this video with your family and friends to help me spread the truth on how sustainable weight loss and good health can be achieved. Thank you.